The Biafran fighter jet has taken down 40 soldiers and left over 68 terribly injured. Hear the news in details. Lovers of freedom, freedom fighters, and those who truly want to see the progress of Biafran, I want to bring you to another gospel that we have now changed the narrative, the narration of what everyone has been waiting to see. You say, show me picture, show me picture. If you want to see picture, you can follow our Telegram page. You see videos and pictures there. Or if you bring it here, YouTube is gonna, if I get open account, I use 40 has been taken down. I thought they deployed over 30,000 to face Biafran soldiers. See, you people don't understand. These people are cowards. They only go for people without weapons, those that cannot defend themselves. And that's just the truth. That's the nationwide truth. And ayo. Esi na ayo yo jire nwa yo simba no manji nwa yo. Can you even marry eji nwa yo when e ku. For months we have been situated in that very field where we have now understand the basic needs that we possess. And now they now see the whole theory. This is just the beginning. Biafrans will continue to win in every battle, in every cold room, and they're going to see the measurements. Before when Biafrans don't have fighter jet, they just fly around fighter jet. Hear what the chief of army staff said, that Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has already taken over. He has taken over their airspace. And they can no longer do anything about it. Victory must be looked across. We have come to that point where we must understand the light that we share periodically, maximally, and producing what we have. Because we are Biafran people, and one thing is very important, that no matter what we do or say, we will continue to hold ourselves together and look at ourselves in every formidable force to understand where the gate narrow has become. This is eye for an eye. There's no longer pity, there's no longer mercy, there's no longer who to be blamed. Now they have to come back with bags to take their members. Stop. As we continue in this path of righteousness, let's again understand the particular game they are playing. And one is very, very important, that as we push through this heavy wind, we will definitely understand what it looks like. And by so doing, everything will be made manifest. Victory for Biafran soldiers. Victory, victory, victory. The Biafran army and the US army has just concluded with an emergency meeting. This is huge. Hear the news in details. Breaking. We just concluded an emergency security meeting of the Biafran resistance fighters today, the 16th of January 2024, and the and passed the following resolution: to intensify the economic strangulation of the Islamic State of Nigeria by making sure that the Biafran government and its forces stop all oil exploration within Biafran territory. This must be achieved during the first quarter of 2024. Every command must intensify the delegitimization of all Nigerian terrorists and other terrorists in uniform of their various zones, and this must start happening from the last week of January 2024. Biafra citizens must continue to stay away from barracks and checkpoints. Tobago. Tobago. You see, the biggest dream that is going on now is that Biafrans can no longer be slaves to the zoo. This honorable meeting that just happened between these two powerful militaries, world militaries, now tells you how far that Simon Ekpa is taking Biafra. They said he was joking, that he doesn't know what he's saying. But the truth must be said. Because those who say that he doesn't know what he's saying are jokers. Yes? And that is why I am calling out everybody to say that we are now in that junction where Biafra must remain our focus. When I say focus, you say focused. Conclusion has been made. For so long we have been driving with pity, crying and saying, oh, let's not do this. Let's keep protesting. The zoo does not like anybody that protests. Look at what happened in the NSAS. Look at what happened when several times that innocent people, even when Sheikh Shaka or Shagimi came out to protest, all those Muslims are put on black. One life to another life added to protest. So it is better you defend yourself, because these people are scared of people who are defending themselves. You are protesting, they see you as a joker. And once they send police to that place, they go with maximum speed. But I want to say something very meaningful today. Anybody who is fighting Simon Ekpa must have sense. Go to your village and beg for sense, because you don't know what you are doing. By now, we would have forgotten what Nnamdi Kanu is. By now. Akochaga Nnamdi Kanu, if not for somebody like Simon Ekpa. Yes, you may say that he's not doing it right. He's not, but do you know, without this Simon Ekpa now, Nnamdi Kanu would have been forgotten. How many people are still standing with Nnamdi Kanu? They are now running. They are hiding. An autopilot came out and told you that we cannot continue. We cannot continue to tell ourselves one feeble lies, because this is not the time. If Biafrans are not free now, I wonder when they will be free. I wonder. Is it in the dreams? They have connived with themselves and agreed that they are going to keep frustrating Biafrans. And some of you are dancing to their tunes. How dare you? That is why I am telling Biafrans, we cannot continue to tell ourselves lies. Because whether you like it or not, lies can no longer be tolerated.